If you've been stressing about what to get a coworker, don't worry. I got something fun for you today. I found these cute SpongeBob items at Dollar Tree and even a glitter canvas. I turned them into an adorable gift set. It's thoughtful, it's playful, and it comes together so easy. So let me show you how I made it. Okay, first I'm going to start off with these SpongeBob figurines that I found in Dollar Tree. They was over in the toy aisle. So they comes with a little stand on it, but we just gonna take that right on off. And so I found these badge reels over in the office aisle. You get 3 of them in a pack. But I also found this one. It's like a pocket badge reel holder. Now putting the figurine up against this one, I'm gonna go with this one because the figurine is kind of long, so it fits perfectly. Right here I'm using my handheld drill on the front of the badge reel, and I'm going to use it on the back of the SpongeBob figurine. I like to do this because it roughens the surface just a little bit, and it helps the glue grip a little better. When both sides have texture, they stick together stronger and won't pop off later. So now I'm just cleaning up the extra dust with the alcohol. And I use B7000 glue. So I'm just applying the glue on the front of the badge reel. And I'm going to stick the figurine and give it like a little press for a minute. And then I'm going to sit it to the side so it can dry. So with this SpongeBob figurine, I'm going to make it into a keychain. And this is my handheld drill. I use this to make a hole at the top of the figurine. This is what lets me turn it into a keychain. You don't have to push hard, just let the drill do the work and go straight through the top. Now that the hole is in, these are called screw-eye pins, and this is what I'm using to turn the figurine into a keychain. They twist right in and give you a spot to attach the jump ring. So I'm going to apply a little glue on the end of it just to give it a little more security once I screw it in. So I take I think these are called jewelry pliers. And then I just screw the eye pins in. And now I'm going to open my jump ring. So these are some gold split key rings that I'm going to add to the jump ring. And now just grab both of my pliers and close up the jump ring. And now the figurine is a keychain. And I pulled the bottom off. I just didn't show it because that one was really hard to pull off. So now I'm going to place both of the items inside of some packaging that I got from Amazon. I think these are 4x6. You always want to put your stuff in a little packaging just to make it, give it a little store-bought feel. No matter if I'm gifting something or selling something, I always package it. And since the badge reel is too heavy for the card, I'm going to get some double-sided tape and put it on the back of the badge reel so it can stick to the card. And I am actually kind of surprised how good this badge reel held up with that double-sided tape. So now there you have it. You got 2 items ready to go in the gift set. And this is a glitter canvas. I'm using it as the backing for the whole gift set. It just makes everything look cleaner and more put together. And I'm going to add a plastic bakery topper over it to hold all the pieces in place, so it looks like something you bought and not something you just threw together. Now I'm going to start adding everything in the plastic top, starting with these SpongeBob socks that I found. They were just too cute to leave behind. So now I'm just placing everything in so it fits neatly before I seal it up. And in the next scene, I'm going to add some decorative paper shreds just so everything can fit in tightly and it won't be moving all around. So now I pulled out my glue gun. I'm just going to glue all 4 corners and then stick the glitter backing onto it. Now I lined it up and give it a firm press. I held it for a minute. It just jumped to the next scene, but I hold it for a minute just so it can stick. And then I didn't want to leave the top so plain. So I was like, what can I do? What can I do? So to make this item fun and cute, who don't want $1 billion? I found this chocolate candy bar, and I'm just going to use some double-sided tape and add it to the top just to give it a little funny feel. Because come on now, who doesn't need a smile or a good laugh during this season? I hope this video gave you a cute idea you can whip up for a coworker or anybody who deserves a little extra joy. Don't forget to check out the rest of my Plugmas videos, and I'll see you in the next one. And thank you so much for watching. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.